Hello viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Hummingbirds, with their iridescent feathers and rapid wing beats, are a delight to watch in any garden. These tiny birds are not only beautiful but also play a crucial role in pollination. Attracting hummingbirds to your garden requires providing them with the right food sources, primarily in the form of nectar-rich flowers. Here are 10 plants that are particularly effective at drawing these fascinating creatures to your garden. Number 1. Bee balm, botanically known as Monarda didyma. Bee balm, also known as Monarda, is a perennial favorite for attracting hummingbirds. Its vibrant red, pink, and purple flowers are rich in nectar and have a tubular shape that is perfect for the long bills of hummingbirds. Bee balm thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, and it can also attract butterflies and bees. Regular deadheading can encourage continuous blooming throughout the summer. Number 2. Salvia, botanically known as Salvia officinalis. Salvia, or sage, is another excellent choice for attracting hummingbirds. There are many varieties of salvia, ranging from annuals to perennials, and they come in a wide array of colors including red, purple, blue, and pink. Salvias prefer full sun and well-drained soil. Some popular hummingbird-attracting varieties include Salvia granitica, anise scented sage, and Salvia coccinea, scarlet sage. Their tubular flowers are a rich source of nectar that hummingbirds find irresistible. Number 3. Trumpet vine, botanically known as Campsis radicans. Trumpet vine, also known as trumpet creeper, is a vigorous climber that produces large, trumpet-shaped flowers in shades of red, orange, and yellow. These flowers are perfectly designed for hummingbirds, providing ample nectar. Trumpet vine can grow quite large and needs plenty of space to spread, making it ideal for arbors, trellises, or fences. It prefers full sun and can tolerate a variety of soil conditions. Number 4. Honeysuckle, botanically known as Lonicera. Honeysuckle vines are well known for their sweetly scented flowers that come in colors like red, orange, yellow, and pink. These flowers are a favorite of hummingbirds. Varieties such as Lonicera sempervirens, trumpet honeysuckle, are particularly attractive to these birds. Honeysuckles can be grown on trellises, fences, or arbors, and they thrive in full sun to partial shade with well-drained soil. Number 5. Cardinal flower, botanically known as Lobelia cardinalis. Cardinal flower is a native perennial that produces striking red flowers on tall spikes, making it a magnet for hummingbirds. This plant prefers moist, rich soil and can often be found growing along stream banks or in wetland areas. Cardinal flower thrives in full sun to partial shade and can add a dramatic splash of color to your garden while providing a valuable nectar source for hummingbirds. Number 6. Fuchsia, botanically also known as fuchsia. Fuchsias are known for their beautiful, pendulous flowers that come in a variety of colors, including shades of pink, red, purple, and white. These flowers are highly attractive to hummingbirds. Fuchsias prefer cooler temperatures and thrive in partial shade, making them an excellent choice for hanging baskets or shaded garden areas. Regular watering and well-drained soil are essential for keeping fuchsias healthy and blooming. Number 7. Penstemon, botanically known as Penstemon digitalis. Penstemons, also known as beardtongues, are a diverse group of perennials that produce tubular flowers in a wide range of colors, including red, pink, purple, and blue. Their flowers are rich in nectar and are perfectly suited for hummingbirds. Penstemons prefer full sun and well-drained soil, and they are drought-tolerant once established. Some popular varieties for attracting hummingbirds include Penstemon digitalis, also known as foxglove beardtongue, and Penstemon barbatus, also known as beardtongue. Number 8. Columbine, botanically known as Aquilegia. Columbines are charming perennials with unique, spurred flowers that come in a variety of colors, including red, yellow, pink, and purple. These flowers are highly attractive to hummingbirds due to their nectar-rich blooms. Columbines thrive in partial shade and well-drained soil, making them ideal for woodland gardens or shaded borders. Deadheading spent flowers can encourage additional blooms throughout the growing season. Number 9. Butterfly bush, botanically known as Buddleia davidi. The butterfly bush is a fast-growing shrub that produces large, cone-shaped clusters of flowers in colors such as purple, pink, white, and yellow. These flowers are a magnet for both butterflies and hummingbirds. Butterfly bushes prefer full sun and well-drained soil, and they can be pruned to maintain a compact shape. Regular deadheading can encourage continuous blooming from summer to fall. Number 10. Red-hot poker, botanically known as Nephophia. Red-hot poker, also known as torch lily, is a striking perennial with tall spikes of tubular flowers that come in vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow. These flowers are rich in nectar and highly attractive to hummingbirds. Red-hot poker prefers full sun and well-drained soil, and it is drought-tolerant once established. Its unique flower spikes can add a dramatic focal point to your garden while providing a valuable food source for hummingbirds. In addition to planting the right flowers, there are several other steps you can take to create a welcoming environment for hummingbirds in your garden, like providing fresh water, avoid pesticides, and create shelter. Creating a garden that attracts hummingbirds is a rewarding endeavor that brings beauty and life to your outdoor space. By incorporating these 10 nectar-rich plants and following the tips for a hummingbird-friendly garden, you can enjoy the delightful presence of these tiny birds throughout the growing season. Not only will you be providing a valuable food source for hummingbirds, but you'll also be creating a vibrant and dynamic garden that benefits a wide range of pollinators. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.